If you want to know how did a makeup artist get this look right here under 5 minutes to make your Christmas special, then please keep on watching. My name is Muskan Hingorani and I'm a professional makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to do this super glam look in under 5 minutes. So what are we waiting for? Moisturizing my face with this Earth Rhythm moisturizer. Very hydrating, and you need all the hydration that you can get during the winters. It is very nice for dry skin. For oily skin you can apply it, but apply a little less, not a lot. I love it because I have combination skin, so it works great. At the moisturizer, I'm going in with an eye primer. So I'm going to apply the eye primer using my fingers itself to show you how it can be done even with fingers. You don't always need a brush to apply eye primer, but it is very important to apply eye primer because it helps in making your eye makeup very long lasting. I'm using the Milani Soft and Sultry palette. I'm going to be using this shade right here to set my eye primer. This shade right here, like so. I'm applying it in back and forth motion in the crease. Now where is the crease? Over here, okay, where your eye folds. And I'm making sure to blend it properly because it should not look patchy or anything. Next, I'm going to be taking this shade right here and I'm going to be applying it on the center of my eye. See, it looks so beautiful. Using this PAC 121 brush and this Nykaa gel eyeliner. Wow. I'm going to be using this Lakme foundation. Now I'm taking the brush and just blending it out on your hands, not directly the spatula on your face. That is very unsanitary thing to be done. So don't ever do that. Apply it from your hands. My camera unfortunately got cut off in the between and I applied a little bit of foundation. But I'm just going to be going over with one more layer to show you guys how it. On this side I'm applying the foundation. I'm going to be blending it using a beauty blender. As you all know, I don't use beauty blender on my videos. Well, this is the first time, and that is because I like a more good coverage look. Natural but more coverage, as much as the foundation can give me. With beauty blender, what happens is that coverage is taken away. So in order to avoid that, I don't use a beauty blender. Now don't forget to apply it on your neck. I'm going to be taking this concealer. So I'm going to be taking my ring finger and apply it like this. Ring finger because it is the soft pressed one, and taking this pointy side, I'm going to blend it out. I'm using this Cerise compact powder. Okay, I'm just going to be taking it like so, setting it very lightly, not much, mainly under the eyes, because that is where your your concealer is going to crease. So make sure you set your concealer nicely. Rose with this eyeshadow, this angular brush. Okay. This one is from LA Girls and I have taken it on my brush like so. Yes, you can use such brushes also. That is also what I wanted to show you today. I'm using more patting motion and blending it out. Remember not to smile because I'm not going to be smiling all the time. So keep your face normal and then blend it out. When you smile, you know this is your cheekbone. You have to apply it there only, but not in that shape, because otherwise it will, just see, it will not be proper. You cannot be like this, so you will not get the correct placement. If at all you apply a lot of blush, take that same old puff or your powder brush and go over like this. It will lessen it up, blend it out, because you will still have product from that combo. I'm going to be applying highlighter. I'm going to be using this one from Makeup Revolution. Highlighter that you have, I always preach, use what you already have. You don't need to buy everything that I'm showing. Okay, so I'm just going to be applying this highlighter and blending it out. I'm going to be merging it with my blush so that it does not look like a stark line. It looks well blended. I applied my mascara and lip liner and the camera cut me off, so I'm really sorry. Lips using this lip liner from PAC. Because you need to line your lips before a bold lip color, it basically gives you a outline to draw this on. Always take your lipstick also on this if you are going to be sharing it with someone in your family, because it is very sanitary thing to be done. And then using my lip brush, I'm going to be just filling my lips in. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking it like so. I have applied the lipstick and here is the final look. I hope you guys like it. It is very simple. It is not at all over the top, very quick to be done, and especially I love this red lip because it goes with the whole Christmas theme. Now it's time for bonus tip. So if you guys have been watching me for a while, you would know that I give bonus tip at the end of each video, and today's bonus tip is that I applied a red liquid lipstick. Why, you ask, is because when you're applying a bold lipstick, you need to make sure that it is long lasting and it does not smudge all around your face while you're eating. So a liquid lipstick is the best bet, or a matte lipstick. Don't apply glossy lips. If you're applying a creamy dark shade, then just keep an eye on it that it doesn't spread around. So yeah, preferably go for a liquid lipstick or a matte lipstick. Okay, so that was my tip for today. If you like today's video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. So follow me on Instagram. I am very active over there. I have been posting regularly since October, like every single day. So you'll get a lot of makeup tips if you go and check my Reels tab over there. So yeah, that was all for today. Till next time, bye bye.